I'm not really. I've not seen the proposed.
Because these people have stands.
Yes.
They've cut stands for themselves,
Yes.
whatever. So recognition and a developmental plan, at least a developmental plan from a human settlement point of view, would say we accept this is the new area.
Yes.
But these stands will be this size.
Yes.
But here and here and here, you must reserve for public facilities, clinic, school, playground, and so on and so forth. Has that happened?
No, we are not at that phase at the moment. We have not reached that point.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. But then it would seem to me very difficult to accept that maybe you are anywhere close then to providing water and sanitation.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to explain these phases of development.
Okay.
Because with the informal settlements, it's different.
When will they get a water servicing plan?
Once we have concluded our first phase. And that's what I wanted to explain. Okay, can you allow me, Doc, to explain this process? Yes. So now, with the informal settlement, so you will get into the space. You will first determine the ownership. You will then do your enumeration where you count people, you audit them, you count the number of structures that are there. Then you will then do your studies or your investigations on the land, whether the land is suitable for development or not. And then upon completing all those activities, you will then commence the process of engaging with the residents now, so that you are able to devise the layout of the informal settlement. But what will then determine the size of the stands is the investigations that would have conducted, which will then give an indication whether there are environmental constraints within the informal settlements or not, whether the area is dolomitic or not, because we are guided by the studies on how we develop the layout of the informal settlement. So that process on its own takes time. You know, it can take up to 12 months to 14 months. Then you get into the second phase now, where you start pegging people now according to the layout that would have agreed upon with the residents through those consultation processes. Then you start picking people around. Then you provide interim services within those particular stands.
How old is Jovijo?
Well, I'm not sure, but I think it was established around I think it's in the previous administration, between 2016 to 2019. I'm not quite sure.
Its development plan, you still can't speak to it.
Okay, it's because you see...
But like, are they about to